Okay, I'm back, and here's the filter. What I ended up doing is I went ahead and read the instructions. I just ran some warm water on it and got the lint. It was like some lint and some dog hair on it, and as you can see, it's a lot cleaner now. So that's really good. I'm going to let it sit out for a little bit just to make sure that it's thoroughly dry before I put it back in. In the meantime, I'm just going to lay it right here. In fact, I'm just going to lay it here on top of the unit like this. And I'll go ahead and empty this bucket, and then that way I won't dump the water all over the floor, because that would be a catastrophe if I did that. And just to let you know, in case you didn't see the other video about the bucket feature, this part here is to attach a hose for drainage. So in case you get one of these type of dehumidifiers that has this attachment, you can run a hose to your floor drain. So let me just lay that there. Let me empty the bucket and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Bucket's empty, and I was even reading too on how to clean the bucket, and this is how you do that. Take this part off. That's why this hole is here. I couldn't figure out why this hole was here, but that's what that's for. It's so that you can take this off, and I don't know if you could see down in there that it is pretty dirty. It's accumulated some water, but it's not clear water. So I'm going to pause again and try to clear this out, and I'll be right back.